are an American family of 7, living, working, and loving Brazil. Welcome to the adventures of our Brazilian life. Hello, I'm here with Alex. He's an amazing friend from church. We're here buying t-shirts for our company. I'm amazed at this process. I've never seen it, even in the United States. So I'm really excited to share it. Like I said, this is one of the biggest factories in Salvador. They're making 3,000 t-shirts right now for a huge store in this area, and Alex is going to tell you a little bit more in Portuguese.
Ltda é uma excelente costureira aqui, tem uma grande facção de camisas. Ela fornece para grandes empresas daqui de Salvador e ela consegue ter uma produção de até 10.000 camisas por dia.
Okay, so we're headed upstairs. We were in the basement, so we're headed upstairs to where all the ladies are sewing the shirts. And it's a really cool, streamlined process. Like, it's a cool factory process. So let's check it out. We're trying to get an interview right now with the owner. Alex is going to interview her for us, but I just think this place is so cool and hopefully she'll speak on the camera.
Pronto, nós estamos aqui com a dona Ltda, que é uma das melhores costureiras, pelo menos eu não conheço nenhuma melhor do que ela aqui. Produz muito bem, faz um excelente trabalho e nós vamos fazer algumas perguntinhas para ela, né? Dona Ltda, como foi que a senhora começou esse trabalho?
Eu comecei o trabalho porque antes eu tinha lojas e comprava mercadoria fora, mas depois eu vi que se eu produzisse, confeccionasse, seria melhor. Aí eu comecei confeccionando. Depois dessa confecção eu terminei as lojas e tive uma proposta da maior casa que vende, casa de vendas aqui, no caso a Casa Andrade, né, de lojas. E aí eu assumi o compromisso com ele e hoje a gente produz em torno de 7 de até 10.000 peças.
Okay, so we only have a few shirts being made here. These nice ladies are making our shirts. So these are our Big Jump employee shirts, and that's the reason why I'm here. Is Alex had these shirts made and he brought me to the factory, and I thought it's so cool because I love to see how Brazilians work and what they do and their culture, and so I was like, okay, I gotta make a video. But so these are our shirts and these nice ladies are doing a really good job, so thank you. Muito obrigada. Cool for me to experience. I love it. I love the culture here. I love seeing new and exciting things. I've never even seen anything like this in the United States. I love doing business here because we love working with Brazilians. There are some very hardworking Brazilians, and we can come here, work with the locals, hire the locals. This is just another awesome benefit of having a business in Brazil. I get to see so many cool things like this, and this is another important step in Big Jump, and we're happy to be here buying from the Brazilians and experiencing it and seeing everything. So thanks again for joining me on another adventure. See you soon.